welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be reviewing the T-Core 20,000 milliamp power bank. I got this a year ago and this is my 1 year review of this product. If you want to see the unboxing of it, I'll probably leave a link in the description, or you can just check it out on my channel. $35 for the power bank alone, $50 for the 4-pack, and I'll show you what that means in a minute. But this one is basically a fast charging power bank that lasts a very long time because of that 20,000 milliamp capacity. It has a really nice luxury look to it with that nice metallic trim on the outside. It's made out of mainly aluminum and a polycarbonate and then other components. This one is not waterproof, so don't submerge it. But as you can see, the top of this part, the polycarbonate part, does get scratched up pretty easily, and it does get dirty, so you probably will need to like clean it off every once in a while if you want it to make it look really good all the time. But this one, as you can see, it has a 3.0 port as well as a 2.0 USB port. It has an in and out for charging for Type-C, and then on the side it has a micro USB for charging as well if you decide to do that route as well. For the 4-pack, it comes with a Type-C wall adapter, an M5 certified Lightning to Type-C cable, which will fast charge your iPhone, as well as a Type-C to Type-C cable to charge any other device that uses Type-C, which is really cool. So if you have multiple phones or devices that use Lightning or Type-C and you just want to fast charge them, this power bank is not only very portable, it's faster than using it on most wall plugs. And here is the T-Core branded wall plug itself. It has a Type-C, so you can go ahead and charge the power bank. You can just plug it in and charge your phone like this if you choose to do so, which is really cool. So if you do get the 4-pack, that's really handy. It does have a flashlight right here as well, which the battery on this is dead. There we go. It is dead, but overall an amazing power bank. This is my favorite power bank of all time. It's my most used one as well. That's why it's at 0%, and it's just amazing. I can't wait to start going outside more frequently rather than staying indoors, but once I am able to, at least a little bit more, then I'll be using this. Now, if you don't want to carry something as big as this or as heavy as this, they do have a smaller version which comes in silver as well as black. This is a 10,000 milliamp and is a really small compact device. This one does not have a 3.0 or a Type-C output, whereas this one, as like I said, is an input and output, so you can fast charge the device itself or you can fast charge devices that are connected to this power bank. So as you can see, these are the ratings. So it has a Type-C output of 5 volts 3 amps or a 9 volt 2 amp, or it could go to 12 volt 1.5 amps depending on the device. So basically it's 18 watts max on Type-C. The USB port 1, which is the 3.0 port, it goes up to 18 watts max as well, which I don't believe it because it's not Type-C. I think it'll probably go up to about 12 watts. And then the USB port 2.0 goes up to 5 volts 2.4 amps, which is a typical wall plug for like USB. So really good power bank. I'll be reviewing this one in a few hours, so if you want to see that video, make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe so you can see that video. Anyways, without further ado, this was definitely worth it. And if you want to check out the links in the description to buy this. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.